According to the 2002 National Electrical Code, NEC, the rules governing ground fault circuit interrupter GFCI protection for pool equipment are detailed in Article 680, specifically addressing swimming pools, fountains, and similar installations. Section 680.21b2 stipulates that all electrical equipment situated within 6 feet of the interior walls of a pool, fountain, or comparable installation must be safeguarded by a GFCI. This encompasses a broad spectrum of equipment, including but not limited to pumps, filters, and lighting systems, all falling under the umbrella of mandatory GFCI protection when positioned within this defined proximity to the water. The intent is to enhance safety by mitigating the risk of electrical shock in areas where individuals are likely to be in contact with water. Furthermore, Section 680.22 specifically addresses cord and plug-connected pool equipment, mandating that these devices also be protected by a GFCI. This requirement ensures an additional layer of safety for portable or easily movable equipment that may be used in and around the pool area. Consequently, the 2002 NEC makes it clear that all pool equipment, encompassing both permanently installed and cord and plug-connected devices, must adhere to GFCI protection standards. The rationale behind this comprehensive approach is to provide a safe environment for pool users by minimizing the potential for electrical hazards. It's crucial to consult the specific language of the 2002 NEC and any applicable local codes or amendments to ensure full compliance with these regulations. These codes are designed to protect individuals from potential electrical dangers associated with swimming pools and related equipment. Consider a pool pump, which is a common piece of equipment used to circulate water and maintain cleanliness. If this pump is located within 6 feet of the pool's edge, according to 680.21b2, it must be GFCI protected. This means that the electrical circuit powering the pump should include a GFCI device that can quickly interrupt the power supply if it detects a ground fault, which is a condition where electricity deviates from its intended path and flows through an unintended conductor, such as a person. Similarly, if there is underwater lighting installed in the pool, the wiring and connections for these lights must also be GFCI protected, as they are inherently within close proximity to the water. Moreover, any electrical outlets or receptacles that are located within 6 feet of the pool must be GFCI protected as well. This prevents the risk of electric shock if someone were to use an electrical appliance or device near the pool. It's important to note that the GFCI protection should be provided by a GFCI circuit breaker in the electrical panel or by a GFCI receptacle installed in the circuit. Regular testing of GFCI devices is recommended to ensure they are functioning properly and can provide the intended protection. The NEC guidelines emphasize the importance of maintaining a safe electrical environment around swimming pools to prevent accidents and injuries. In the context of cord and plug-connected pool equipment, such as portable pool cleaners or small fountains, Section 680.22 mandates that these devices be GFCI protected as well. This means that the power cords for these devices should either have a built-in GFCI or be plugged into a GFCI protected outlet. The purpose of this requirement is to safeguard against electrical shock in situations where the equipment may come into contact with water or wet surfaces. For example, if someone is using a cord and plug-connected pool cleaner and the device malfunctions, causing a ground fault, the GFCI will quickly trip and cut off the power supply, preventing a potentially dangerous electrical shock. Similarly, if a portable fountain is placed near the pool and its electrical components are not properly insulated, a GFCI can provide an extra layer of protection by detecting any leakage current and interrupting the circuit. It is crucial for homeowners and pool maintenance personnel to understand and comply with these GFCI protection requirements to ensure the safety of pool users. Regular inspections and testing of electrical equipment and GFCI devices are essential to identify and address any potential hazards. By adhering to the NEC guidelines and taking appropriate safety precautions, the risk of electrical accidents around swimming pools can be significantly reduced. The 6-foot rule specified in 680.21b2 is a critical aspect of ensuring electrical safety around pools. This zone extends outward from the inside walls of the pool and encompasses any electrical equipment or devices located within this area. The purpose of this rule is to create a buffer zone where the risk of electrical shock is minimized. Any electrical equipment installed within the 6-foot zone must be GFCI protected to provide an additional layer of safety. This includes not only pool pumps and filters but also any lighting fixtures, receptacles, or other electrical devices. The 6-foot rule is based on the understanding that individuals are likely to be in close proximity to the pool while swimming or engaging in other water activities. Therefore, any electrical equipment in this area poses a potential hazard if it is not properly protected. By requiring GFCI protection for all equipment within this zone, the NEC aims to prevent electrical shocks and injuries. It's important to accurately measure the distance from the inside walls of the pool to any electrical equipment to determine if it falls within the 6-foot zone. If equipment is found to be within this zone, it must be equipped with GFCI protection to comply with the NEC requirements. Homeowners and pool contractors should be aware of this rule and ensure that all electrical installations around the pool meet the necessary safety standards. In addition to the 6-foot rule, it's also important to consider the overall electrical system that serves the pool. The electrical panel that supplies power to the pool equipment should have properly sized circuit breakers to protect against overloads and short circuits. All wiring and connections should be installed in accordance with the NEC guidelines to ensure they are properly grounded and insulated. Regular inspections of the electrical system are recommended to identify any potential problems, such as loose connections, damaged wiring, or corroded components. Addressing these issues promptly can help prevent electrical hazards and maintain a safe environment around the pool. Furthermore, it's crucial to educate pool users about electrical safety and the importance of avoiding contact with electrical equipment while in or around the pool. Posting warning signs and providing clear instructions can help raise awareness and prevent accidents. By taking a comprehensive approach to electrical safety, including GFCI protection, proper wiring, regular inspections, and user education, the risk of electrical hazards around swimming pools can be significantly reduced.